Posting on Facebook by hand is a grind. Friender turns posts into a content machine. You schedule everything in advance, let AI write and design it, and even reply to comments for you. Here's the tour. Open Posts. The calendar shows everything you have scheduled at a glance, color-coded by day. To create one, click Schedule New Post. In the Composer, you write your post content right here, but you do not have to write it yourself. Flip on AI content, and Friender opens a prompt. Describe what you want. Pick your provider, OpenRouter or OpenAI with your own key, running a model like Claude Sonnet, and hit Generate. Because it is seeded with your voice Bible, the post sounds like you, not a robot. Need a picture? AI image does the same thing. Describe the image, choose how many, and Friender generates them for you. Down the right side, you set everything else. The post type, the date and time, and where to post. Your profile, a group, or a page. Turn on repeat post to make it recurring, and auto first comment to drop a comment the moment it goes live. Switch to auto post reply settings, and you can set a keyword that triggers an automatic reply to anyone who comments. Your post engages people while you sleep, and once posts go out, the live content view tracks the engagement on each one, so you know what is working. That is posts. Plan it, let AI build it, schedule it, and let it engage for you. To try it free, head over to start.friender.io.